Hey guys, I'm just going to do a quick presentation on how to create a Google Meet link so that you can share it with your students and that they can join your classroom when they are working virtually. So the first thing you do is make sure you are logged in to your Google account, and I'm in Chrome, which I think that seems to work best. So once you're logged in, you come over here to the waffle, click on Meet, and then that's going to bring up the Google Meet webpage. Once you're there, click on Join or Start a Meeting, and then you're going to need to give your meeting a meeting code or a nickname. I recommend using your name or some form of your name or your class. That way it's easy to remember. So I'm going to name my class Thompson, and I will hit Continue. Once you've done that, your preview comes up so you can decide if you want to use your microphone and your video. I usually will use both, so no big deal. Once you're here, you notice that this meeting is my Thompson meeting. Not to get the link, I have to do one more step. I need to click on Join Now. And a pop-up will come up and you will see a link that you can use for other people to join the meeting. So copy that, and you can add that to any of your emails or documents that you need to use in order to share these links with your students. Once you have copied that into your document and shared it with your students, then your meeting will start, and you can keep this open for students to join and leave as needed. When you are finished, of course, you would go down to the bottom and leave the call. And once you do that, then that will end the meeting. You can go back and rejoin the meeting at a later time, or you can return to the home screen to create a new meeting. Hopefully that helps you out a little bit with getting started with Google Meet. And if you need any help, let me know. All right, see you later.